Hey class, this is Mr. Scare, and this is my physical education classroom rules presentation. As we go through this, I just want to let you know that the main goal here is to have fun, to learn things, and to stay active. As we get going through these rules here, let me see, we have uniforms. So, start off with our uniforms. All students must wear Nogales gray PE shirt. Okay, you can buy these at the student store. They are $10. Black athletic shorts are also encouraged. We do have Nogales PE shorts that you can buy, but all black athletic shorts are also accepted, and you can wear black sweats as well. Tennis shoes. Make sure you are not wearing sandals. This is more of a safety issue, okay? We're out on the grass, we're running around. You don't want to be caught in sandals. Moving on to our lockers. Boys' lockers are on one side, girls are on the other. Do not give out your locker combination, even if it's to your friend, okay? Make sure only you know it. Do not leave anything out of your locker. Always put all of your belongings inside your locker. If it's left out and it's stolen, we are not responsible for it. No one should know your locker combination. And be responsible. If you see someone else's locker open or your locker, just make sure you close it, okay? We don't want any thefts happening. Grading system. Now, we all start at 100%, which means the only place you can go is down. Okay, so non-participation, you lose 5. Non-suit, lose 5. Partial non-suit is also 5. Okay, you got to be fully dressed. Tardy, 2 points. Okay, you lose 2 points. Be on time. Unexcused absences, 10 points. Make sure to get those things cleared. Now, semester grade is an average of 3 6-week grading period. So if you fall behind in the beginning, you could always make it up. Roll call. Be on time. Don't be late because you don't want to get tardy. Sit on your assigned dots. You will all be given a dot, and it won't change for the duration of the class. No eating or drinking during roll call or class. That's for break and lunch. No cell phones on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Thursdays. Okay, we left out Wednesdays and Fridays because we run on Wednesdays and Fridays, and I encourage you to listen to music. And most of you in the 2019 have songs on your phone, so it's encouraged, okay? Lastly, but not least, the golden rule: treat others the way you would like to be treated, okay? And have fun, all right? And these are the brief rules for Mr. Scare's PE class. Thank you very much.